Good mighty morning, Alice. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, April 22nd, 2021. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible. Now it's time for the OWL Pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my OWL Pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, IDSL Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Scholars, just a reminder, no school tomorrow. No school tomorrow. So, enjoy your day tomorrow. Have your weekend. Make sure you read. Keep those readers. I know that we've been adding Royal Readers. I can't wait to read on Monday to see how many Royal Readers we now have at our school. Super excited about that. Scholars, some great things have been going on here. We have a whole bunch of our kindergartners that have tested and passed, and now they're in the first grade program. Nice job, kinder readers. Keep up the good work. We also had some amazing first graders make some huge jumps in their reading lessons. So keep up the hard work and keep doing the best you can. Scholars, enjoy your 3-day weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. Remember, every day counts, so come to school on Monday. We're looking for our April attendance drawing winner for a free pizza. We'll see who wins. Have a great day. We'll see you in the classroom. Hoot hoot!